Welcome to the History of Simple Things, where we delve into the fascinating history behind the little things that shape our world. Imagine a world without cleaning sponges, the ubiquitous tool that effortlessly wipes away dirt and grime from our surfaces. But have you ever stopped to ponder the intricate journey these humble household items undertake before reaching our kitchens and bathrooms? Join us as we delve deep into the fascinating history and intricate process of how cleaning sponges are made. The story of cleaning sponges dates back thousands of years to the ancient civilizations of Egypt and Greece, where natural sea sponges were first utilized for hygiene and household purposes. Initially, natural sea sponges were harvested from the depths of the ocean to serve as cleaning tools. These porous organisms, with their remarkable ability to absorb water and hold onto it, proved invaluable for tasks ranging from bathing to household chores. Sea sponges, marine organisms belonging to the phylum Porifera, were abundant in the Mediterranean Sea and other water bodies frequented by these early civilizations. In ancient Egypt, cleanliness held significant cultural and religious importance. The Nile River, the lifeblood of Egyptian civilization, provided not only water for irrigation, but also served as a source of bathing and sanitation. Archaeological evidence suggests that Egyptians used natural sea sponges as early as 1500 BCE to cleanse and exfoliate their skin during bathing rituals. The ancient Greeks further popularized the use of sea sponges for hygiene and household cleaning. Greek bathhouses, known as balaneia, were centers of social interaction and personal grooming. Sea sponges, prized for their soft texture and absorbent properties, became essential accessories for bathing and cleansing. In both Egypt and Greece, harvesting natural sea sponges was a labor-intensive process. Divers, often equipped with primitive diving gear, such as weighted stones and breath-holding techniques, ventured into the depths of the sea to collect sponges from rocky outcrops and coral reefs. Once retrieved, the sponges underwent a thorough cleaning process to remove debris and organic matter. The demand for natural sea sponges spurred extensive trade networks throughout the ancient Mediterranean world. Coastal communities, such as those on the islands of Crete and Cyprus, became hubs for sponge harvesting and distribution. Sponges were prized commodities, valued not only for their utility, but also for their symbolic significance in religious rituals and ceremonies. As civilizations advanced, so did the techniques for manufacturing cleaning sponges. The 19th century marked a significant turning point with the advent of industrialization. Innovators began experimenting with various materials and processes to mass-produce sponges, meeting the growing demand for sanitation products in rapidly expanding urban centers. The 20th century witnessed a revolution in sponge production with the introduction of synthetic materials. Natural sponges were gradually replaced by cellulose sponges, composed of wood pulp or other plant fibers. These synthetic alternatives offered enhanced durability and absorbency, making them a staple in households worldwide. Let's now move forward to the manufacturing process of cleaning sponges. It begins with the careful selection of raw materials. Whether natural or synthetic, the chosen materials must meet strict quality standards to ensure the final product's effectiveness and longevity. If natural sponges are used, they undergo a rigorous cleaning and sanitization process to remove impurities and debris. Synthetic materials, on the other hand, are processed into thin sheets or blocks, ready for the next stage of production. The selected materials are then shaped and molded into the desired sponge size and shape. This process may involve cutting, pressing, or molding techniques, depending on the manufacturer's specifications. To enhance absorbency, manufacturers may incorporate special agents or additives into the sponge material during the molding process. These additives help improve the sponge's ability to soak up liquids and effectively clean surfaces. Once the sponge components are molded and shaped, they undergo a bonding process to ensure structural integrity. Adhesives or heat sealing techniques are commonly used to assemble multiple layers or components into a cohesive unit. Quality control measures are implemented at every stage of production to ensure consistency and reliability. Sponges undergo rigorous testing for absorbency, durability, and overall performance before they are deemed ready for market. Moving forward, in recent years, there has been a growing emphasis on sustainability and environmental consciousness in the manufacturing of cleaning sponges. Many companies are exploring eco-friendly alternatives, such as biodegradable materials or recycled fibers, to reduce the environmental impact of sponge production and disposal. From the ancient civilizations of Egypt and Greece to the modern industrial era, the evolution of cleaning sponges reflects humanity's relentless pursuit of cleanliness and efficiency. What began as a simple tool fashioned from natural sea sponges has evolved into a sophisticated manufacturing process, utilizing cutting-edge materials and technologies. As we reflect on the journey of cleaning sponges, we are reminded of the ingenuity and resourcefulness of our ancestors, who relied on nature's bounty to meet their hygiene needs. The transition to synthetic materials in the 19th century marked a significant milestone, paving the way for mass production and widespread accessibility. However, amidst the remarkable advancements in sponge manufacturing, we must also acknowledge the environmental impact of our consumption habits. The excessive use of non-biodegradable materials and the disposal of single-use sponges contribute to pollution and ecological degradation. Fortunately, there is hope on the horizon. Manufacturers and consumers alike are increasingly embracing sustainable practices, from the use of recycled materials to the development of biodegradable alternatives. By choosing eco-friendly cleaning sponges and supporting companies committed to environmental stewardship, we can minimize our footprint on the planet. As we bid farewell to this exploration of the history and manufacturing process of cleaning sponges, let us carry forward a renewed appreciation for these humble household tools. May we continue to innovate not only in the realm of hygiene but also in our commitment to sustainability and environmental responsibility. Together, we can create a cleaner, greener future for generations to come. Until next time, remember to stay clean, stay curious, and make a positive impact on the world around you. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.